Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. So please ignore my naked face, no makeup look, and my crazy hair. I was not planning on filming today. In fact, I wore this on a run, so yeah, you already know that I don't look good, I don't smell good. One of you guys sent me a DM on Instagram saying that Kirkland's has their fall stuff out. So I have two Kirkland's in my general area, and one of them said they have some fall stuff. So I instantly was like, I have to go and give you guys the sneak peek. It's not everything. They said it's just the tip of the iceberg. That was the woman's words on the phone. So it's raining right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it or see it. And so I'm just kind of sitting in my car killing time, waiting for the rain to stop. I was not going to film an intro because of the way that I look, and I plan on voicing over this video because I really don't like filming in Kirkland's. I said that last year when I filmed in there. It just, I don't know, it feels like slightly too upscale for me to film in there. Not that it's like upscale, but I'm rambling at this point. I'm going to take you guys in. I'm probably going to voice it over. I apologize that the Joann's video and the videos prior have been kind of quiet as I talk in the stores. I bought a microphone, and in true Kristen fashion, I lost it immediately. So we're going to stick to a voiceover for this one. I'm going to take you guys inside. It seems like the rain might be settling a little bit, and hopefully we see some pumpkins. I have my eye on something in there, so I hope that they have it. So let's head in. All right, so pretty much as soon as I walked into Kirkland's, I saw a small but really decent selection of fall decor, including these wall signs for $40. This one has leather on it, I'm showing you here, and it's kind of tacked onto a shiplap board. And I really love this floral piece. I don't know if this is part of their fall decorations because I feel like it could be kind of a year-round thing, but I adore that. I think it's so nice. They also have, you know, the normal farmhousey kind of decor for fall, like this sign that says "Hello Pumpkin" for $20. And as far as pricing goes at Kirkland's, it is more on the pricey side. A lot of times they do run 20% off sales. Like I think I looked at the website today and there's 20% off of one item. Also, you can sign up with your email and they will send you a 20% off coupon usually, which is what I did last year to buy a few things from here, which I did see something that I bought last year back again this year. So I'll let you know when we get there. But here's another wall piece that I actually kind of like. I think it's the fact that you could use this for more than just fall that makes me really like it. And it's kind of unique. So let me know what you guys think about that. So I really like these braided pumpkins. I like the size of them. They do have a gold sheen, but it's not super noticeable. So I don't think you need to have like a glam or glitzy kind of style to have those. They would match with pretty much everything. Now this sign has a two-tone frame. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the bottom is wood and the top is white. And there is just something about stacked pumpkins, you guys. I really love them. There's a set of stacked jack-o'-lanterns at the at-home store that I'm really interested in. Let me know if you guys want me to go back there because they have put so much more out since I made my first video there. And I think you guys will love everything there. So Kirkland's was putting their wreaths out. The manager told me to go take a peek in the boxes, and I saw this one that has the real pampas grass on it. The other stuff on it is fake, but the pampas grass is real. And they have so many pretty wreaths. I did not get all of them on camera because I didn't want to interfere with the employee who was hanging them up, so I definitely want to go back and show you guys the rest of them. This one is super cool because it's all naturals, like nothing on there is fake, and even the wreath form was a bamboo ring, which I've never seen before. This one though, it's a little messy. Did you see the stuff falling off of it? I would skip out on that one just because I don't feel like it's really gonna hold up that well. And this one is beaded all the way around, so I think my farmhouse lovers will really like this one. In fact, I really like that one. I think it's pretty cute. This piece is gorgeous. It's so expensive though, I would just recreate it with your own candlesticks, and then you could use the candlesticks for all year round. They also have the copper sign back again. I bought that last year. If you guys were on my channel, then you saw it in my home tour and in a haul video. They also have some of this eucalyptus themed floral arrangement stuff. This one is $30. I feel like you could, if you bought this right now, you could put it out and it would not look out of place whatsoever. I believe this is probably a garland. I wasn't comfortable taking it out of the box, but I did see this sitting on top of a box, this pillow with the pumpkins in the truck. It has a really nice embroidery detail to it. And as far as truck decor goes, I feel like this one is very elegant. So if you're a truck lover, I would recommend that pillow. I also love this wreath. It's just one of those mini ones. I thought it was really pretty. I'm loving the plum and burgundy tones this year. They have a few little box signs here. This one I think is green. It's kind of hard to tell on camera if it's green or if it's black. But they have this little tiny one, and I believe there is an artist who works with Kirkland's, and this is one of her pieces. If you are an OG subscriber of mine, then you probably remember me duping this with Dollar Tree supplies on a smaller scale. If I can find that video, I'll link it below, but it is like maybe 3 or 4 years old at this point. I also saw these rattan pumpkins. I was so excited to see these. I saw them online and I could not wait to see them in person. They come in 2 sizes. And they do light up, but they don't light up from all sides. The back side doesn't have the holes in them. So I'm not really sure why they did it like that, but it does light up from the front. So we have another little pampas grass moment here. I did see more pampas grass items on the website that were not in stores yet. So if that's your vibe, definitely hit up your Kirkland's. Now, here's another one of these centerpiece things. They are always very expensive here, but I will say that they are very good quality. They're substantial. If you can swing the price with a coupon, then I do recommend them. However, if you can't, that's okay. Don't feel like you have to buy this expensive decor. These things are pretty easy to do, at least the centerpieces are. You could easily recreate them with some Dollar Tree vases and florals and things like that. So never feel pressure to buy any decor that's out of your price range, especially when there's so many good videos on YouTube on how to dupe this stuff and DIY things on your own. So of the select few fall pillows that I saw at Kirkland's, this one is my favorite, and I think this is going to be the crowd favorite in general. I think it's really nice and it's higher end looking, and I think it's because there's no words on it. It's just a pretty watercolor pumpkin, so I'm here for that one. Now here's another stacked pumpkin thing. I think this one is meant for outside because it was very heavy, and it's in a very neutral palette, which we haven't been seeing a lot of. So my neutral pumpkin people, you guys will really like that. Here's a piece that I could not find a price on. I'm sorry that I stayed focused on this for like way too long. I was just looking for a price tag and I couldn't find one. All right, you guys, so we're at our last few items of this video. Sadly, I wish we could just keep going down aisles of fall decor, but we will be back when they put the rest of the fall and Halloween stuff out. I cannot wait. So I hope you guys really liked seeing all that my Kirkland's has so far. Really fun stuff so far. I have high hopes for what else is to come. Okay, you guys, I am out of Kirkland's, and I have to say this first and foremost because I had mentioned about how I never feel comfortable in Kirkland's, because in the past I've never felt like the one nearest me, the people were that friendly in there, and I felt like they were always watching me. But this one I should have known because this is not the one closest to me. But when I called, the woman on the phone was so nice and welcoming. She was super sweet, and I knew exactly who she was when I went in there because she said like, "Oh, can I help you find anything?" And I'm like, "No, I'm just here looking at fall." She goes, "This is just the tip of the iceberg." So I knew it was her. I was like, "Oh, I called and I talked to you on the phone." She was so nice. I don't know if she's the manager. I think she probably is, but she was just like so warm and welcoming, and she was like excited about the fall stuff with me. She told me that they're gonna get the rest of it in the next couple weeks and that Halloween is coming out in 3 weeks, and she said it's the cutest that it's ever been. She told me I definitely need to come back. She was so accommodating. I bought a scent sachet. They only had one fall scent out, and I asked if they had more somewhere else that I didn't see. She's like, "I have more in the back. I can bring them out for you." And I'm like, "No, you don't have to do that. That is so nice and like above and beyond." She also told me that I could go peek through all of the boxes that they had out. So you guys saw that in the footage, which I felt really weird doing because when my dad worked at Home Goods, I know that they did not like when people like peeked around in the tanks and the boxes before they were put out on the shelves. So it was really nice that she said that I could do that. She told me to do that, by the way, in case anybody saw that footage and was like, "Dude, relax, like chill." Anyway, so that was free fall therapy. Actually, it wasn't free because I bought some stuff, but I told you I bought the scent sachet. Why is it so hard to say that? I bought that, and I bought one other item. I'm gonna wait to share it in a haul video though, but I want you guys to guess what you think I bought. There's a couple things there that I'm like, I don't need that, but I love it. Kirkland's always does that to me. I go in there and I'm like, I'm gonna be strong. I'm not gonna buy anything, but then I buy stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a little sneak peek. We'll definitely be back for the rest of the fall stuff, or at least for Halloween, since she's telling me it's so cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos as I chase all the fall decorations and Halloween decorations. We'll be at Christmas eventually too. And yeah, I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.